Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you the conjunctive operators such as and OR operators. The SQL and OR operators are used for combining multiple conditions to further narrow down the data in SQL statement. These operators are known as conjunctive operators. These operators provides means to make multiple comparisons with different operators in same SQL statement. The where clause can be combined with and, or, and not operators. The and or operators are used to filter records based on more than one condition. The and operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by and are true, and on the other hand, the or operator displays a record if any of the conditions separated by or operator is true. The not operator displays a record if condition is not true. We will see more about not operator in the next tutorial. Now let me show you how to use and OR operators with some simple examples. This is the SQL command line interface, and today we are going to use and OR operator on marks table. Let me show you its data. Select star from marks. So these are the records present in the marks table. For the first example, we will be combining two conditions in the where clause using and operator. Let me show you how to do it. We will combine the two conditions. The first one will be the student number should be equal to 200,60101 and the marks which should be greater than 60. So here we can see there are only two records which matches all the conditions. Select star from marks where student no equals to 200,60101, and we will be using and operator here, and mark is greater than 60. After hitting semicolon and enter, we will only get the two records which satisfies all the conditions. If we use OR operator instead of and, in the same query we will use OR operator here, or after hitting enter. So here you can see we are getting the results where one of the condition is true. Either the student number is equals to 200,60101 or the marks will be greater than 60, as you can see. I hope you got the clear understanding what are the conjunctive operators and how we can use them to further limit down the data. If you want to learn more about SQL, subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get latest updates.